How to add friends on Rockstar Social Club. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Go to your pause menu. Now, if you're on PC, you're going to see Rockstar game account at the very bottom, and it's going to show you exactly what to press if you want to open it up. And it's going to open up like this, and then all you want to do is go over to social. You're going to see your current friends, and then you can see friend requests if anyone sent you one, or you can go ahead and find a player. So all you got to do is enter their name on Rockstar, and like whatever their Rockstar name is, and then they're going to be found right here. And if anyone sent you a friend request, they're obviously going to be in friend requests like so. Now, if you're in a private, and if you're in a public lobby on multiplayer, like on GTA Online, you'll be able to add someone that way as well. And then of course, if you're on console, all you're going to have to go ahead and do is just add them on whatever device you're playing on. For example, if you have them on PlayStation, just go ahead and add them on PlayStation Network, and then whenever you go to your friends list on GTA 5, you're going to see them come up right there. So you can add them through Social Club if you're on console as well, or you can go ahead and add them through your console that you're playing on, and it's as simple as that.